Hola, buenos dias. I wanted to post this quick announcement as you are getting started in our Spanish 201 class this week. So if you've started to look at all at the schedule, some of you might be a little bit confused at which chapters in Arriba we are covering. And the reason for that is that we did some rearranging to our 4 primary Spanish courses, the 101, 102, 201, and 202. We were wanting to kind of adjust the pace a little bit and adjust the topics that were covered in each course, particularly in regard to verb conjugations and verb tenses. So what we did was rearrange. It used to be that we covered 5 chapters from Arriba in each of the first 3 courses of the sequence, and then we used a different text for 202. And what we decided to do instead is to switch it up so that we use Arriba for all 4 courses and slow down the pace a little bit. So for Spanish 101, the primary focus, of course, will still be on the present tense, but won't get quite so much into the reflexive verbs. That will be covered in Spanish 102 along with the preterite and the imperfect. Right now, Spanish 102 gets into the subjunctive, and we're taking that out and moving it solely into 201. So if you're coming straight into this course from Spanish 102, you've already learned some about the subjunctive, but sometimes what we've found is that what happens there is students, when they learn the subjunctive, they don't end up with enough time to practice the preterite and imperfect. So you may feel like those topics kind of got shoved aside when you started learning the subjunctive. So we'll start this semester with a review of the preterite and imperfect this week. And then next week we will jump into the subjunctive or into chapter 9. Chapters 9 through 12 is what we will be covering this semester, and then that's when we'll cover the subjunctive. So you'll get a nice review and continued work on the subjunctive. So chapters, if you came right into this class from Spanish 102, chapters 9 and 10, the first 2 chapters of this semester, will be a review for you. And then 11 and 12 will be new content. So hopefully that's not discouraging to anybody. You will still be getting the full credit for the Spanish 201 course. Just keep in mind that some of that will be kind of a review and expansion on material that you already covered in 102. Just because of the way the timing worked and that you happened to be the class that was transitioning from 102 to 201 as we made this change. So I wanted to give that quick explanation and get in. Hopefully you can get in and work on the Blackboard materials and getting registered for my Spanish lab early this week. And then I look forward to seeing some of you in class on Thursday, and the rest of you, we will be interacting online with some wiki activities and VoiceThread and different online conversations that we'll be having. So I will look forward to meeting all of you this week, whether in person or online. And have a great start to the semester. Nos vemos.